Hi folks, it's Moz here, and Airfix have just announced a brand new release in their range, and I thought I'd go through it with you right now. So Airfix promised us more releases during the year and to be expecting them, and this morning they have dropped a new release. They have released to us a 1/48 scale North American F86F Sabre, but this one's a little bit different because one of the schemes is something that you don't really see within any sort of manufacturer of a kit, and that is a display team. Now, the North American F86F Sabre is basically one of the most important aircraft of the early jet era, and it was in many ways a jet-powered version of the company's huge successful P-51D Mustang from World War II, and an aircraft which made full use of the captured German aerodynamic research material that they basically poached. Featuring a distinctive 35-degree wing sweep, the Sabre also incorporated 3 nose-mounted 50 caliber machine guns positioned on either side of the aircraft's nose, with this jet-powered gunslinger sharing many design philosophies with its famous piston-powered predecessor. On entering service with the US Air Force in 1949, the North American F86 Sabre would have the distinction of not only being America's first swept-wing fighter, but also the fastest fighter aircraft in the world at that time, and it is a true aviational classic. So they have chosen 2 really good schemes, and the first one has really got me because I actually really do like it. It's the Arctic Gladiators Aerobatic Display Team. The US Air Force 720th Fighter Bomber Squadron formed the Arctic Gladiators team in June 1954. The display team consists of 4 F86F Sabre aircraft, which all carried the squadron's silver and red colour scheme, plus the extra markings. This display team only lasted 10 years when, unfortunately, it came to an end back in 1955. And if you're in the US state of Alaska, you would have seen them because that was where they only flew in this display team. The second decal scheme is the North American F86 25 Sabre, which was the 514th Fighter Bomber Squadron, Royal Air Force, Manston, Kent, England in 1954. So they have brought back in a little bit of the English to this kit by having that scheme, because that, as I said, that particular plane was based in the UK. Right then, let's talk about this kit. Now, it has been released before. Okay, so, and I do have a version of it on my shelf. It was first released back in 2021 as the Canadair Sabre F4, and then it was released again 2 years ago as the North American F86 F40 Sabre, and they've now released it again in basically the arse end of 2024. So the item specifics of this kit. So basically it's 166 parts, the length of it is 239 millimeters, and the width of it is 239 millimeters, so a square plane. And again, as like I said, it comes with 2 decal options. Also, one final piece of information, there's going to be an exclusive coin released with this kit. You know me, I've collected them. I've got the whole set, I think, so far that Airfix have announced with their kits. Limited to 500 coins, so first come, first served. And this time it will have the North American F86 Sabre Arctic Gladiators Aerobatic Team. On the back it will have the Airfix logo, but yes, this is a really lovely looking coin indeed to go with your collection if you're like me and collect them. Right then, pricing. So it's going to be £41.99. It's due to be released in the next 2 weeks, hopefully, but more than likely it'll be the beginning of October, so you don't have long to wait. If you want to pre-order this kit, I will leave a link in the description box below and in the comments where you can pre-order this Sabre. I'm a little bit excited about this. I've built the 1/72nd scale Sabre, but I've not built the 1/48. But with that scheme, it's pretty tasty, don't you agree? Well, they're both pretty tasty actually, but I think that display one, like the aerobatic team one, is very, very nice. And I think the only plane I've ever built which is based on a display approach, would be the red arrows. I've yet to build the Bearcat one for the Blue Angels, but this one here I'm quite tempted at. But then again, like with most kits, I'm tempted by all of them. And that's why I have a stash. But anyway, I think that's all I need to say. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell. Click all to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. And a huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. And every Thursday I do a live stream just for channel members. If you've liked this video and want to see more, just click one of the 4 corners here where there'll be playlists and other videos that will be recommended to you from my channel. And that's it from me. Have a good week and I'll see you soon.